Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to make, what do we call this?
A little drink.
I found it on Instagram. I'm gonna screen record it and then put it somewhere either here or here.
Right here. I'm just kidding.
Right here. So it's basically just a Buchona drink. It's a little Buchona spring drink. It has orange juice, lemon juice. It's supposed to be heavy cream, but I don't have any, so we're just gonna use whipped cream. Pretty much the same thing. Buchona, obviously. And then in this right here, we put sugar, vanilla, and water, and you just boil that together. Oh, and then orange zest. And then you just drain it, and then that's what this is. So we're gonna try it. A ver cómo nos sale. See if it's even good. Bro, watch it not even good.
And then we have our little mason jars with ice ready.
Yeah. So if you guys want to see how we make this Buchona drink, then just keep on watching. So I don't think, like, measurements. What are measurements?
We're just gonna kind of
yeah, she's gonna just like, okay, what should we start
shot with? First you have to do the shot, you know?
Yeah, first it's a shot. Well, it says like 1.5 ounces of Buchona, but just
we don't even have that much left, to be honest. So we're just gonna. Should we just do one?
Yeah, just do one first, and then if it needs a little more, because we love Buchona.
So I'm just doing about one whole shot. You know that video where she said 1 shot of vodka?
2 shots of vodka.
What is it, the lemon? The
orange juice.
Just do like half.
Let's just first start there. Okay.
Okay.
Then the lime juice. We'll just do a little bit of this. Okay. And then this.
Like half, no? I don't remember how much.
I don't know.
Girl, it is more than a little.
Like that? Voltale, so I can see the line. Mine is on the 300 milliliter.
I mean, I guess let's try it. Oh,
okay,
should we?
And then
should we try it first and then put?
No, let's put whipped cream.
Okay.
Well, the recipe calls for whipped cream.
Do we mix it?
Well, we can mix it at the end, or I don't know how you want to do it.
I want to mix it and have the whipped cream on top. So we're just gonna mix. I wanna be cute and have the whipped cream on top.
Smell it?
Beach. It smells like the straight up Buchona.
I'm gonna mix mine.
I wanna be bougie. Ready? So we're gonna. A little whipped cream. Fine, I'll mix mine too.
Well, because this is literally how it looks on the.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Run.
Cheers. That is good.
Okay.
That is so bomb. Oh my god. It tastes like straight up Buchona. I mean, it smells like straight up Buchona, but it tastes bomb.
Bro, this is good.
It's bomb. Okay.
That's really good. I think I should put a little bit more orange juice in it.
Ugh.
Maybe a little bit more lime juice too.
You can taste the Buchona.
Yeah, but it's good. This is good. This gives it a really good flavor.
It's really sweet. That made it sweeter. Okay. Bomb.
Oh my gosh.
Recommend. Huh.
100% recommend. Like, this is bomb.
This is good.
Like, I don't even know how to explain the flavor. It's just really, really good. I don't need anything with handles. A little. Alright, so I got a little inspired by Daisy Marquez's Get Ready With Me. Marquez, with her mom, but we're obviously already drinking. We're not taking shots. So we're just going to ask each other some juicy questions. Are you ready? So my first one. If you were...
Oh my gosh.
Okay. How do I word this? If you were to get married with someone and it had to be instantly. you only had two choices: your ex or the guy you're with now. Who would you pick?
Okay, the guy now.
I already knew the answer.
Yeah, because why would I go back to no?
No, starts crying. Me, my ex. I just kidding. No, I would stay with my husband.
If you could fuck anyone else in this world, who would it be?
Easy question.
Let me redo that. Oh, no, yeah. If you could fuck anybody in this world, who would it be?
Easy. Julian from J3.
Ah, okay, underage.
Okay, underage.
Wow. Mine's easy too. JD all the way. Oh my. Why would you make me cry like that? Okay.
Next question. I want you to be honest and sincere. Wait, how do you say that?
Yeah, sincere.
Sincere. If you had to pick from one of your cousins to be your one and only friend for the rest of your life.
She really asking me this? Like if it's
Who
not
would it
you?
be?
Oh, am I not your choice? Because you're my choice for anything.
I was your choice. I mean, you're my choice too.
Like if it had to be between anyone.
I was just making sure.
This one. I'm all like, is she really asking me this?
It's just I was gonna ask it a different way, but like I still know that you would choose your family over someone else. So
I think any of us would.
yeah.
But girl, if it comes down to it, it's you.
Hank starts crying. If you found $1 million just laying on the floor, what would you do with them?
Maybe buy some stuff.
What kind of stuff?
Buy a house. What would you do?
I would first off pay off my student loans.
Bro, you still paying them off?
Still paying them.
Oh.
No, honestly, I would just pay off whatever I owe.
Mm-hmm.
Like credit cards.
Oops.
Shot. You drop the shot. You take the shot. I would honestly just pay anything off, and then I would get a house.
Mm-hmm.
And then I would just go shopping with the rest of it.
I would go on a
It said Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton who?
Yeah,
I don't know. I would
honestly.
just, yeah. I don't even know what never had that much money.
Never had that much money, so what do I do with it? If you were to marry and have kids with one famous person, who would it be?
JD? No.
Like, sincerely thinking about it, just one famous person. That's the person you're going to live with the rest of your life, have kids with them, make a future with them.
You know the guy who is that guy in bed? He's hot.
Oh, he's cute.
Hot. Mm-hmm.
So, thinking about this, you have to be really smart. Jimmy has money already.
That's nasty. Oh my god.
I'm just kidding. No, I would never.
Straight.
He's like double my age, dude. No, please don't.
No, you didn't.
Yeah,
Yeah, that guy. His name's Omar, no?
I don't know.
Oh
I don't know his name.
Mm-hmm. It's a bomb, bro.
Honestly, if I were to marry one person that's famous, I know he's still thinking about it.
Yeah, he's pretty cute, but damn, this is hard.
Honestly, though, it is hard because, like, I would say Julian again, but, like, he's not, like, husband material.
He's not.
You know what I mean? Like, they're still, like...
He's a mess.
Yes. Honestly, I would just marry Julian.
Honestly, I would just be with JD.
Honestly, if, like,
JD.
that would ever happen... I'm just kidding, no. If it would have ever happened back in the day, I would just been like...
What's your biggest fear?
Oh, man. One of my biggest fears is honestly losing anyone in my family.
Yeah.
Like, it's not even like anyone in family, it's just losing people in general.
Mm-hmm.
Like, losing a friend, losing a family member. And I know it's always gonna happen, but like,
it sucks.
It sucks. Mm-hmm. What's your biggest fear?
That, and then like, you know, getting ran over or something.
Yeah. Oh, one of my other biggest fears is hitting someone with my car.
You hit me? Yeah,
I'm the one that hits you, that runs you over.
That's scary.
Like, honestly, like, can you just imagine, like, reversing and don't you hit someone?
Like, dude, like, you don't even see them and you just, like,
that's,
no.
honestly, like, that's one of my biggest fears,
That's
too.
scary.
It's always, I'm super, like, cautious about, like, where I'm going and stuff.
Yeah.
I'm, like, I'm looking. But, like, dude, can you just imagine, like, boom, hitting someone with...
Another...
Alright, guys, well, that is the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed this
little tutorial on this drink.
Yeah. Let me know if you guys try this out, because this is definitely going to be, I think, a new drink that
really
we're gonna,
good.
yeah, I think it's going to be a new drink that we're going to definitely keep doing when we have, you know, all the stuff to do it, because it does require, you know, a few ingredients. So I'm going to leave all the ingredients listed in the video and then also down below, just in case you guys just want to look at it really quick. And then I'm going to also leave her most recent video on her YouTube link down below, which is the Herencia Patrones concert.
It's quite funny.
It's quite funny. So I'm going to leave that link down below. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification button so you get notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.